In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on WhatsApp web sound notifications. By the end, you'll have clear, audible alerts for new messages right from your computer, so you won't miss anything while you're working or browsing. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official WhatsApp web page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the screen, along with a prompt to link your account. Next, link the same WhatsApp account you use on your phone. The quickest way is to scan the QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Go to the menu where you manage linked devices, choose the option to link a device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. If scanning isn't convenient, look for the option to link using your phone number and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login. Either method connects WhatsApp Web to your existing account. Once you're in and your chats appear on the screen, it's time to adjust the notification settings. Look toward the top of the WhatsApp Web window for the menu. Depending on the layout, you might see a three-dot icon or your profile icon. Click that, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, select Notifications. This is where you control how WhatsApp Web alerts you on the desktop. To enable sound, check the box for incoming sounds. This setting turns on the audio chime that plays whenever a new message arrives, so you get a clear cue even if the WhatsApp tab isn't in front of you. Right below or near that, make sure Message Notifications is also checked. Message notifications are what trigger the system to create the alert in the first place. With both options on, you'll see the notification and hear the sound together, which is ideal for staying on top of messages without constantly checking the window. That's the essential setup. From now on, when someone sends you a message, you should hear a brief tone from WhatsApp Web. If the sound seems too subtle, you can revisit the notifications section at any time to confirm the boxes remain checked. And if you still don't hear anything, try a couple of quick checks. Make sure your computer's volume is up, your browser tab isn't muted, and any Do Not Disturb mode on your device is turned off. To recap, open WhatsApp Web, link your account, head into Settings, open Notifications, and turn on incoming sounds and message notifications. With that done, you'll get the audio alerts you need to stay responsive throughout your day.